This is Bruno with Sound at Tri-State. Today we actually installed a Viper remote start system with 1 mile range on a 2014 Toyota Sienna. What's really cool about this vehicle and also the system is that the customer actually had sliding glass doors and also trunk pop right off of this factory transmitter. And what we've done today is we've actually gave him the ability to have all those features on the actual two-way transmitter. So not only can we give him the ability to lock and unlock the vehicle, but now we can also remotely open up the trunk. We can also control his sliding glass doors on both the driver and then also the passenger side. So we're opening them up now, and now we're going to go ahead and actually close them. So we're going to go ahead and close the trunk. We're going to go ahead and close the side doors. And we're also giving him remote start. All with the features of two-way, so that way he knows exactly what's going on with the vehicle at all times. So if you're looking to have something like this done, come down and see us at Sound at Tri-State. We'll be more than happy to take care of you and your vehicle.